Here's how you can use AI to create a brand in 3 simple steps. Check this out.
So boom, first you want to head over to an app called shophunter.io. This is an app that basically gives you the top products, top stores in terms of revenue and in terms of last month's growth. So as you can see, we have all the recently added products, top moving stores. And boom, just like that, we found Noma's self-care essentials for women. They're doing currently 70,000 in sales this month, and they're doing pretty good overall. So this is where you start, guys. Head over to their site, take a look at what their layout looks like. And it looks like they're selling a device for women care and period pain. 2, head over to a site called similarweb.com. Take the URL of the site that you just found, copy it, paste it inside SimilarWeb, and basically we're going to be able to see exactly how they're generating their traffic. And boom, just like that, we're able to see the global rank, the country rank, and the total number of visits that they have on the actual site. So take a look at the analytics, see exactly where their traffic is coming from, and exactly where their audience is as well. The site will also give you similar websites in the same category, and it's very, very helpful. Right, guys, and the last step is going to head over to copy.app and import the entire site by pasting the site URL and importing the product landing pages directly to your store. And just like that, we've built a brand in 3 easy, simple steps using AI.
For more tips and advice on how you can scale your Shopify store or online business using AI. Peace.